In this video, I will show how to log out WhatsApp web on computer or laptop. So click on this settings, and here is the option log out. Your chat history will be cleared when you log out. If you are using WhatsApp Business and same process, if you are using personal WhatsApp, so here you will see. Also click on chat. So here you will see three dots. Click on it, and in the last you will see option log out. So just click on it. So this way you can log out WhatsApp from computer or laptop. Click on settings and click on log out. It will ask permission. Are you sure you want to log out? Click on yes. So thanks for watching, and comment this video useful for you or not.